Every wealthy guy I know has one thing in common. They invest in real estate. Not just any real estate. Real estate that can stand the test of time. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. If you're new to my channel, please do well to like, subscribe, and share this video to your loved ones. Never can tell, you might be helping someone that is in dire need of the property. Now, are you looking to invest for your kids' future? To give them that needed push in the next couple of years? Yeah, stocks and bonds are good. But real estate is the only thing that is real from the name real estate. Something that in years to come is still there. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Coral by Gracias. This estate is located in Igboye Epe. Now, as you can see from the slogan, right choice for land banking for kids and teens. How will your kids see you in the next couple of years to come? Will they see you as that wayward dad or that wayward parents that couldn't invest in their future? Or will they see you as that loving father or that loving parent that has their well-being in mind? Guys, this is one perfect opportunity for you to show that love to your kids. Show that responsibility. Tell them that you are that responsible parents that love them so much. The property here is selling for 5 million naira for 500 square meters. With an initial deposit of 1 million naira, you can key into this property like you've already secured their future, guys. So call me on 0062596389 and I will bring you here for inspection. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. And if you're new to my channel, please do well to subscribe, share this video. Never can tell, you might be helping someone that has been looking for a property, profitable property, a genuine property to invest in. Alright guys, you've seen the surrounding, you've seen everything. I've showed you in details everything about this estate, guys. So give me a call right away. Remember, with an 1 million naira initial deposit, you can key into this property, then you can spread 0 to 6 months is interest free, 0 to 12 months with a little bit of interest, guys. So don't waste time. Be that responsible parents to your kids. Thank you.